Good afternoon, children. Today I am solving the problems from exercise 6.1. So that is B game. Now see me. That is compare the following decimals. So in Siemens, first one given. So there are two decimals. We have to compare the first decimals and second decimals. So it means which one smallest and which one greatest. So here given two decimals. So that is 7.782. So first decimal has given, that is 7.782, and second decimal is 7.846. So we should compare these two. So this one, this one. So when we are comparing these two, so it is saying us that is greatest and it is smallest. We can write as 7.846 is greater than 7.782. It means 7.782 is smallest, 7.728 is smaller than 7.846. Okay. So now second one. So the second one is 8.65. 8.65 and 8.56. Okay, so which one is greater here? So 8.65 is greater than 8.56 because it is 8.65. 8.65. So 8.65 is greater than 8.56. So in this answer we can write as that is 8.65 is greater than 8.56. Okay. So there is another problem is given, that is 2.45 and another that is 2.67. So we should write for homework, smallest and greatest. So we have to compare. So in Siemens only, so there is another result that is for homework. That is 2.45 comma 2.67. This one for homework. So next, arrange the following decimals in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to greatest numbers. We should write down the first smallest number, then second greatest. Okay. Third, fourth, like that. We should go from smallest to greatest. So D1, arrange the following decimals in ascending order. That is first one, 2.21. Second number is 2.10, 2.5, next 2.13. Okay, so when we are observing here, so this one is smallest because 2.10, that is 2.10 is smallest, and second one is, so greater than 2.10, second one is 2.50, and greater than itself, that is sorry. So this is first and this one is second. 2.13 is second. Okay, this one for third. 2.21, which says last greatest. So very smallest is that is 2.10. Okay, greater than 2.10 is that is 2.13, and greater than 2.13 is that is in third, so that is 2.21. So greater than 2.21 is that is 2.5. Okay, we should write as that is 50. So that is 2.50 is greater than all three. So we should write this one in last. So first one, this one, first one, second one, third one, and this one, fourth. So in ascending order. So should write as that is 2.10, second one 2.13, then 2.21, last 2.52. 2.5, or we should write like this also. 2.10 is less than 2.13 is less than 2.21, or less than 2.1 is less than 2.5. Okay, should write any one, this one or this one. So both are in the form of ascending order. Okay, so second one is 4.82, 5.62, 4.3, 5.66. Second one, that is 4.82, 5.62, 4.3, then last 5.66. Okay, so when we are comparing first one, second one, third one, and fourth one decimals, so smallest it is showing that is 4.3. So next greater than, that is 4.3 is, that is second one, second order, that is 4.82. In third order, that is 5.62. So last it is 5.66. Okay, we should write in ascending order. So that is first 4.3 is smaller than 4.82. 4.82 is smaller than, that is 5.62, and last greatest is 5.66. In symbol we can write as, that is 4.3 is smaller than 4.82 is smaller than 5.62. 5.62 is smaller than 5.66. So this is in the form of ascending order. So next another is there, that is for homework. Third one is for homework. Is 9.04, 7.8, 8.2, right, 9.3, for homework. So next, arrange the following decimals in descending order. So descending means we have to write from greatest to smallest. We should write first highest in first, so next in second highest, in third place, third order, that is third greatest, and last one is smallest. So next, email. Arrange the following decimals in descending order. First one, that is 6.9, 7.98, 6.56, next 7.3. So when we are observing given these four decimals, so we are seeing greatest, that is 7.96, and second greatest is 7.3, and fourth greatest is 6.9. It means it is 97. 6.90 is third order. Next, last order, that is 6.56, because 6.56 is last smaller than all the numbers. It is smaller than these three numbers. So in this descending order, we should write in 7.98 in first order, because it is greater than all the numbers in descending order. So first greatest is, that is 7.98, second greatest is 7.3, third greatest is 6.90, and fourth greatest, last smallest is, that is 6.56. Okay, so in first order we should write, that is 7.98. So it is greater than, that is 7.3. 7.3 is greater than, that is 6.9. So 6.9 is greater than, that is 6.56, and 6.56 is smaller than all these three numbers. Okay, so in symbol we should write, that is 7.98 is greater than, 7.3 is greater than, 6.9 is greater than 6.56. In this second one, in email, second one, that is 2.01, 2.10, 2.31, and 2.001. 2.001. Okay, so in these four numbers, so we are seeing 2.31 is greatest, greater than all the three numbers. So you should write 2.31 in first order. So second greatest is 2.10, because that is 2.10. Okay, so 2.01 is greater than 2.001. So it is greatest. So third greatest is, that is 2.01, and last smallest is 2.001. Okay. So in descending order, we should write as, so first greatest is, that is 2.31, second one is 2.10, third one is 2.01, and last is 2.001. So in symbol, we should write as 2.31 is greater than 2.10. 2.10 is greater than 2.01. 2.01 is greater than 2.001. Okay, so there is another problem. So that is for homework. Third one for homework. 5.63, 5.7, 5.602, next 5.2. So this one for homework. So we have completed, that is 6.1. Now we should go to, that is 6.2, exercise 6.2. In exercise 6.2, A main, that is that showing the first A main question, arrange in columns and add. We should arrange the columns and we should add the given decimals. So that is exercise 6.2. Sorry, this was 6.1. Or 6.1. Now 6.2. Now it is 6.2. Now exercise 6.2. Arrange in columns and add. First main, arrange in columns and add. Arrange the given decimals and we should add. So that is first one, that is 3.45 plus 2.65. How should we arrange these numbers in a column? We should arrange these numbers in decimal to decimals. See how it is. So 3.45. So 3 is in unit place and these are, it is in tens place, it is hundredth place. So 2 is in unit place, ones place, 1 to 1. So we should arrange the decimal to decimal. Okay, so it is 10 to 10, 6. It is 100 to 100. So now should add these two numbers. 5 plus 5, it is 10. 10 to 0, carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 to 1, carry 1. So here decimal to decimals. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, it is 6. So its answer is 6.10. So second one. (0.78) plus 0.45. So like that one, right? First one. We should arrange the ones to ones, points to points, and tens to tens, hundreds to hundred. So that is 0.78. So next 0.45. So 0 is in place once and 0 here in place once. So 7 is in place tens and 8 is in place 10, 100. 4 is in place tens and 5 is in place, that is hundreds. So now you should add. So 8 plus 5 will get 13 to 3, carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 1 to 2, carry 1. So 1 0 0 0 plus 0, that is 1. So its answer is point to point, that is 1.23. So next fourth one. Third one for homework. Fourth one is 27.35 plus 13.16. Okay. So 7 is placed in place once, 2 is in place 10. So 3 is in the place tens, 5 in tens. You should arrange 27.25. So 1 is in place tens, 3 is in place ones, so 13 point. So it is tens to tens, 6 is hundreds to hundreds. So when adding these two, 5 plus 6 will get 1, 1 to 1, carry 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4, 1, 5. So points to point, 7 plus 3, 10 to 0, carry 1, 1 to 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So its final answer is 40.51. So fifth one is there. So third and fifth one for homework. (7.81) plus 6.8, and fifth one 0.90 plus 1.09. These two for homework. In first one, so in 6.2 we may arrange the columns and subtract. Arrange the columns and subtract. The first one 5.678 minus 2.456. So like that only, like first one A1. So we have to arrange the given numbers in a column and then we subtract. So that is 5.676. Second one, so 5 is in ones and 2 also in ones. So 2 point, so 4 is in place tens, 4. 5 is in place hundreds, that is 5, and 6 in place thousand. Sorry, it was 8. 5.678, that is 2.456 when we subtract it. So 6 from 8 it will get 2. When we subtracted Subtract 5 from 7, you get 2. When subtracted 4 from 6, you will get 2. So point to point. So when subtracted 2 from 5, you will get 3. So its answer is 3.222. Now second one, that is 0.76 minus 0.24. Minus 0.24. So now we should arrange the numbers in columns. So 0 is in place 0. So point is there point. 7 is in place tens. 6 is in place 100. That is 0.76. So 0 is in place once and point is there point. 2 is in place tens. 4 is in place, that is 100. So when subtracting 4 from 6, we will get 2. When subtracting 2 from 7, we will get 5. So point to point. When subtracting 0 from 0, we will get 0 only. So its answer is 0.52. So next fourth one. 12.980 minus 2.098. So you have to column the numbers. So 1 is in place tens, 1. 2 is in place ones. Point is there, point. 9 in place tens, 8 in place 100. 0 is in place 1000. So in second number we are not seeing 10 place. Now it means we should write 0 in place tens. So 2 is in place ones. So 2 is in place ones. So point is there point. So 0 in place tens. 9 is in place 100. 0 in place, 8 in place 1000. Now we should subtract. When subtracting 8 from 0, it will not possible. 8 1 bar. So 8 from 10, and we will get 2. So here remains 7. 9 will not subtract from 7. So you should take 1 bar by 9. When subtracting 9 from 17, we will get 8. So here remains 8. When subtracting 0 from 8, it will get 8 only. So point to point. So when subtracting 2 from 2, it is 0, and 0 from 1, it is 1. So its final answer is 10.882. So in B main there are 2 problems are there. So that is the third one and fifth one. Those 2 for homework. Third one, 3.58 minus 1.230. Fifth one, 98.32 minus 89.20. These 2 for homework. Okay, thank you.